Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to add your Capital One Savor card to Apple Wallet. If you're tired of carrying physical cards or just want seamless mobile payments, this is perfect for you. Apple Wallet lets you store your cards digitally, making transactions faster and more secure. Let's get started. This whole process should only take a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll need an iPhone running iOS 12 or later, the Capital One mobile app installed, and your Capital One Savor card already set up in the app. If you don't have the app, head to the App Store, download it, and log in with your credentials. Once you're all set up, open the Capital One app on your iPhone. Navigate to the main dashboard where you see your accounts and cards. Look for your Capital One Savor card. It might be under Cards or Accounts. Tap on it to open the details page. Now, here's where the magic happens. On the card details page, you should see an option that says, Add to Apple Wallet, or something similar, like a wallet icon. Tap that button. If it's your first time, you might need to authenticate with your device's Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode for security reasons. Apple will then prompt you to add the card. Review the information to make sure it's correct, and tap Continue, or Add. It may ask for additional verification, like a one-time code sent to your phone or email, so keep an eye out for that. Once verified, your Capital One Savor card will be added to your Apple Wallet. After it's added, you can test it out by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone and selecting the card. Try making a payment at a store that accepts Apple Pay to ensure everything works smoothly. If you run into any issues, double-check that your iPhone is updated and that your Capital One app is the latest version. And there you have it. You're all set to go digital. Adding your card to Apple Wallet not only makes payments easier but also adds extra security features like transaction alerts. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.